Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright. First I'm going to do one thing first. Wait. Alright, guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my problem challenge day 2. Day 1 yesterday, I've been winning for yesterday. So I didn't do live yesterday, but today yes. Let's see if we got any opportunity for day. Alright. So I will use Maven for my entry. Basically, let's see if we got any trading opportunity. Alright. So we're going to have our pips calculator as well. So let's see if we got any trade for today. Alright. So yesterday we saw that basically weekly time frame we saw a rejection. I'm not saying that it's a rejection, but we saw basically the price have been brought below this low. See that? So what is the next target for price can be? Maybe this order block, right? This order block might be the next target, but for right now, we saw that basically yesterday we got some retracement on this 2 order block right there, and then we got a rejection. We can basically looking at this candle, right? See whether we can be tagged, right? We saw that basically price already taken out the Asian low, Asian high. I mean, the Asian high already being taken out right there. See that? This Asian high right there taken out. The next things is that we can looking at whether the price is going to be close above the Asian high. If yes, we're going to see whether we can get a trade or not. Just aim for yesterday high being taken out as well. Yesterday high, because yesterday high we got a lot of liquidity in the yesterday high, right? So basically is this high right there, previous daily high right there, previous daily high PDH right there. So we are currently, we just want to see whether the price can be reached yesterday high, right? So is this high right there. Let's see, yesterday high is going to be reached, right? So basically we saw that basically Asian session, Asian high already being break right there, and we saw that basically in Asian, in 1 hour time frame, 1 hour opening, it seems like it's going to be break above this Asian high, right? And then we saw what? We saw a price basically is holding, right? Where is it holding for? It's holding on this on block breaker right there as well. See, this candle is holding. We can basically base on that, and this on block right there, it doesn't tap into this, it's not considered this. So basically it just on this zone and holding to the upside, which is this breaker right there. See that? Breaker is holding. We're going to see this Asian high, is it going to close above? If yes, I'm going to looking for buy for we need to know that if I want to buy, right, which is the target we aim for, this Asian previous day high or this high right there, right? So we're just going to aim for that rather than just aim for too high for that. But I'm going to looking at this whether it's going to be close above or not, right? We're going to see whether this is going to be close above if Asian high. If yes, I want to see a price move to this previous daily high being tagged, right? So that's all for the plan that I'm looking at for the chart. But we need to keep in mind that basically right now it's still in the downtrend, you know, still in the downtrend. What we're going to catch is that we're going to catch the what we call it retest for that candle, right? So we need to know in our mind that we catch the retest for the price, so we're going to risk a smaller amount rather than a bigger amount, right? So that's the reason that I'm taking a trade. I already explained. Alright, and let's see GU we got any trade, right? So in GU we saw that basically in weekly time frame, it still have the possible. We saw that basically the price have been closed below this order block, the body of the order block. See that it have the possible to close below this order block right there. So what I am aiming for, it can be looking short, right? It can be looking short, but right now we can catch the price to move above this high first, right? Let's see what happens. The price moved above this order block yesterday and just close a doji bullish candle, right? So let's see. Basically we're going to know, we're going to expect whether the price is going to move above the Asian high or move below the Asian low, right? So we saw that Asian high being break right there. See that? Asian high being break. We got a lot of liquidity above this high as well, which means that it's a daily order block right there. See that? This one daily order block. Daily order block right there. Are we going to change this color for red color? Alright. So we got that daily order block. Still holding, we got the liquidity right there. You kind of look at this, whether the price can be close above this high or not. If yes, I'm not going to entry for this because we got a lot of liquidity above this high. I'm not going to entry yet. I would say it's good to looking short for GU, but EU still have the possible to tap this high right there, which is the previous day high right there. Because if the 1-hour candle for Asian is closing above, that indicates it's higher possible the price can move up to that. We can just aim for this 30-minute high as well for our TP as well. If I'm not going to aim for too high, we can aim for this high as well, being taken out, not this high, right? So let's see how this candle move first, right? So Asian high being swept, and we're going to looking at the point of interest that we can mark it up in low time frame. And yeah, that basically is that thing. That's the thing we can looking at. So we got this, basically we got this order block in 5 minutes as well, 3-minute order block as well. If this order block is not holding and being invert, I'll say it is what it is. We can looking for a short for that. Alright, let's see how these things move, right? Can be moved above this high as well, right? It can be moved above the high as well. It can be a fake out and then go lower as well, right? It have a lot of possible for this go to the upside or go to the downside right now. You kind of like waiting for the reaction for the price, and this one is tapped into the daily order block right there as well. And we got this liquidity right there. We got this liquidity right there, as well as the center. We got this liquidity. Alright. It's tapped into, and it does break above the Asian high right there as well. Asian high being break right there above this high. 9 AM Asian high break. We got a liquidity above this high. We got this Asian low right there. Let's see how these things move, you know. I prepare for that. Let's see whether we got any trade for today. If not, I'm not going to force these things, you know, because at the end of the day, it's just about possibility, and it's about you know, it's about possibility and about patience for waiting for the setup that going to come. And yeah, that's all for that. Basically, it's not complicated for that. It's easy as shit like that. No need to overcomplicate it for these things. So basically, it's just that, right? So let's see we got any trade. So basically we do have to tap into this level right there. We saw this one rejection right now. We're going to see whether we got any SMT for looking short, for looking buy, right? So we got 3 minutes right there as well. This high is 342, right? We don't have SMT yet. Basically we do not have SMT yet. Doesn't have SMT formed yet. All right, it have the high possible to move this high, which is our daily liquidity for GU, and we do have the possible to move through this previous daily high as well, right? So let's see how these things move and how can I react on this. And yeah, that's basically is the thing right now as well. This low is 344. 344 is not making anything. It's making high, it's making high as well. I wonder whether the price can just move to this level first, extreme level of on block, and to see how these things react basically. Like break above already for that, but 1 hour haven't break above yet. I would say 1 hour still have the possible to flip down. Just gonna wait for that. Wait for the retracement to this order block. Let's see, we got that. This order block right there. This 3 minute order block right there. Just aim for this previous daily high being taken out. That's all we need, you know what I mean. Just want to wait for the reaction for that. Whether it can be taken in, I don't know. I just want to wait for that retracement. If it doesn't want to go to the level, I would say it is what it is. Let's see today got news or not. Today is Thursday, right? Wednesday. Have the possible to pump up to this high right there without looking back. I mean without looking back, it just means that the price without looking on back to this candle right there. Not gonna fall more for this candle right there. It have the high possible to move up to this high right there. Oh, what the hell? Let's see, today we got 27. We don't have news yet, right? Right there, this is the thing. Let's see how this previous daily high after swapping, alright, comes back up to this previous daily high right there, and this one, this liquidity right there. Let's see next, what is the next thing is going to be happen, right? So we got this previous daily high being break. This one is breaking the previous daily high, this one as well. Let's see what is the next things happening for this pump up. We can catch the low, we can catch the we can catch the liquidity swap, and then we can looking for short for the previous daily high swap. We are looking at that level. Alright, let's see what is the next happen. Right, because this previous daily high right there, this high right there, you're looking at for that candle right there. most of the trader will emotion on this when it's break out this high right there. They will emotion and looking for buy. Basically just hunt the liquidity on that level right there, and whatsoever you just want to reverse. I mean, let's see how these things react. Previous daily high right there, this high right there. Let's see whether it's going to be swap the liquidity and continuation down. I don't know, and I don't mind it to do that. This one is swapping the liquidity this week right there. This one is our daily order block being tagged, and also our liquidity right there, basically liquidity right there. Liquidity being swapped in 4-hour time frame. Liquidity above the high swapped, but it still have the bullish candle form yet. We cannot do anything for this right there first, unless it's break below this order block. We can look at the short, right? There's no block right there. We can look in for short if the price break below this, and we target what? We target this order block or this Asian low being taken out. That's all we need, right? We just assume that this one is a manipulations, and this one is a accumulation upside and then manipulate to the downside, which I want to see this candle flip down to the Asian low being taken out as well. Asian low being taken out as well. This one, which is the Asian low is below this low right there, which is close bearish candle close below the Asian low. It have to possible, but let's see how these things move. This one is swapping the 4-hour liquidity as well. If this candle close bearish, right, it's kind of good for that. 15-minute candle close bearish, I can looking for some short if the price break below the block low right there. We can look for short right there, but once again right now it's not the short possible entry for that, not a short possible entry. Once again they still have the high possible to move up to this previous daily high for EU right there, this high right there, but once again we're going to see how this 1 hour close as well. This is freaking bullish on it. We cannot do anything right now. Let's see next. What next, right? Swap the liquidity above the high. Swap this liquidity above this high. Let's see the next thing is. If I want to look in short, I do want to see some higher time frame bearish candle form first, like 15-minute bearish candle form. We should looking for short for that. It's good to look in short for that if bearish candle form. But the thing is, if I want to look in short, right, EU should be a good I would say should be a good selection for looking short, because this one basically it does, is it break previous daily high? Yes, it does break previous daily high right there. Let's see the high right there, this high right there, 160. Yep, it does move up to the previous daily high, and same high with the previous daily high basically. And this one basically it doesn't break above the previous daily high. See that SMT? It does have an SMT in daily time frame. It does have an SMT in daily time frame basically. This one making low, this one making high, right? This one making equal high in daily time frame. See that? See this one? equal high in daily time frame, equal high in 4-hour time frame as well. Yep. And this one is not making high as well. 6 p.m. Yep, this one is making equal high. This one is making SMT low right there. See that? This right there. This one is making SMT low. This one is making equal high right there as well. Swapping the liquidity, making equal high. This one SMT right there. We got higher time frame SMT already, right? We got higher time frame SMT right there. But if the price break above, that is another story for that, right? So basically right now, I do want to see whether the price have a change in state of delivery. We can look in short. What is the reasonable target we can aim for? Whether this low or rather the Asian low, right? Asian low should be this low right there. Alright, we can aim for this low, we can aim for this opening price as well. So if I want to sell, right, I just aim for opening low being taken off. But once again, I do want to see some change in state of delivery, then we can look in for short. If no, then it is what it is. You know what I mean? We can't look in buy right now because we do have a swap above. We do have a strong momentum candle for 1 hour as well. Do have a break above the Asian high as well. But once again, I do want to see some flip down that indicates what we call it, change in state of delivery. At least one candle close bearish. It's good to see that, right? This is equal high right there as well. This one is our SMT. Higher time frame SMT right there. 4-hour SMT basically. This one is swapping the liquidity as well. Swapping the daily liquidity. If this 15-minute close bearish, should be good looking short. If no, then it is what it is. This one forming SMT right there. Right, if it do close below this freaking big 5 gap, right, I do want to see the half on it being close on it. This indicates a slow of price movement on this level right there. I do want to see this level being intact, right? This right there. Let's see. Half on it close, and I do want to see, we do have SMT. I do want to see a bearish candle form, whether it's a 5-minute or 15-minute. 15-minute is good if it does form. It does take what? It does take the Asian high being taken out, and it does take the what we call it, daily liquidity as well. This one, and what is the next thing is this one as well. It doesn't take the daily liquidity, but what it takes the Asian liquidity and then form an SMT right there. And what next? We can looking for short. Why we looking for short? Because if the price have the change in state of delivery close below the 3-minute big huge 5 gap, I should looking for short. I would say that. And obviously the downtrend as well, we can looking for short. Just now we do want to catch the retracement for the candle, but it doesn't give me a chance. So right now we do want to looking short, right? We do want to looking short. Daily buyers should be looking short because it's a downtrend. If we want to catch the short term, it can be looking buy, but right now no. I do want to see this one close below, we can looking short, right? At least at least one of the candle close bearish and close below this 50% on it, you can looking short. At least 50-minute candle looking close bearish, I can looking short. What is the target I'm aiming for? This low or this opening price, right? That's all we need. Right, just wait for this 50-minute candle, right? We just want to wait for a 50-minute candle. It doesn't mean anything for this candle. Basically, it's good to see the no bottom form first and then swept below, but I do want to see this thing flip down close below 50% of the fair value gap. That is the plan for me, because we don't have any order block for that. Basically, we have this order block. If good to see this order block being closed as well, is good. If we looking for this order block being closed, our risk to reward is not good anymore. So what I want to wait for is just this fair value gap being closed below, close below 50%. Then we can say that, and also the 50-minute close bearish, then we can say that it is a good trade for sell. It is enough evidence that we can looking for short. That's all we need. So we just wait for that. Alright, at least 50% close, and also at least 50% close, and also what, 50-minute close bearish, and we looking short. Right, this one as well we can looking short because it do have a swap above the liquidity, but once again it do have a swap above the liquidity, but it form an equal high right there, so I don't like this equal high being formed, so I do want looking short with this SMT form in higher time frame, in 4 hour time frame SMT right there. $50-minute close is good. Let's see how this 50-minute close. So we're going to wait until 45. Let's see how this 50-minute close. If close good, and we can looking short. Once again, after it close, if it close below this or whatsoever, and it form what? It form a no top wick, no top wick form. Oh no, it form a no bottom wick and keep back up, and I want to see these things formed, and we can looking short. That's all we need. High possible setup that we're looking at. Alright. What we can aim for? Asian low. This Asian low, and what next? Rather Asian low, or what? Or the opening price right there. I am more a conservative person. I just aim for a daily opening price, right? Break below is good to see that this order block. Close can be looking short. This one also can be good for looking short as well, because yeah, we do have an SMT or 160 as well. It form an equal high right there, swept form equal high. Let's see how these things work. I don't mind to take a loss this, but I do want to risk 1% for this if I looking short, because I do follow the trend, right? This daily is looking short. I would say I do follow the trend for shorting this. But once again, I do want to see all the confirmation align together, then we can look in short. If not, I'm not going to take any single trade that I'm aiming for. Just want to see how patient I am, right? Wait for this close below 50-minute rejection with bearish candle should be good, right? Looking short, aim for this low, Asian low taken out, or rather this daily time frame, this low being taken out as well. This Asian low and this daily time frame. Right, can aim for this low right there being taken out. Maximum 1% risk for this day, for today. I would say maximum 1%, but once again we're going to see how this thing close. Right, good to see that. Good to see that. Good to see that move down. I do want to see this on block close bearish, right? Break below and close below this on block, and 15-minute close bearish. That is the thing that I'm looking for short. And also the form of candle as well, candle behavior together with candle behavior. Right, you do want to see this close bearish below this, should be good. Let's see. Right, it seems like it's going to close below this other block. Let's see the 1 minute time frame. Oh my god, it doesn't. Let's see what is the things for this. I do want to see this close below. We can looking short, right? Coming in. Right, good to see that. 15-minute, it have a high possible to close bearish right now. Have a freaking high possible to close bearish. Wait for close for this candle first. Not gonna be so happy for this candle. Just wanna wait for this candle. If close below is good. If not, then it is what it is. Alright. If it's close below is good. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. Like that, this candle is not for me. It is what it is, I would say. And how, if it does have a flip down and close below, it's good to see how many pips? 54 pips. Where am I aiming for? Aiming for this low, or even this low, right? Asian low being taken out. Is this possible for Asian low taken out? 2.6 risk to reward. I'll say good to see that if I. Alright. Right. Good to see this 15-minute. So if the price do. Alright, I gonna risk this for 1.2%. I'll close half 0. I'll close 0. I'll say this right there, close half on this. Alright, if it break below, I will close off. Aim for 1.2 divided by 2 is that 0.6. I will close 0.6 on this low right there, and the rest let it run to this Asian low, right? Daily low, which is our Asian low being taken out. But once again, I do want to see this thing flip down first, right? This candle being flipped down, that's the trade that I took. Let's see. At least 15-minute close bearish, and close below should be good. And I do want to see this SMT is holding as well. This SMT is holding and form a down close candle. Aim for this close half for this level right there. Close half for this, aim for this low taken up. 2.6 price to reward, let's see. Close half on this low right there, basically. This 5-minute low. And then after close half, we're going to break even right there. Just the rest slightly run. 1.2% for the trade. Our entry is this one, 1.26035. $1.26030. Stops run is above the high. I'll say 1.26162. Above the high right there. Alright, calculate this with 1.2% risk. Close out for that 0.455, 0.455, which means that 0. Right, good to see that. 0.46. Right, good to see that. I do want to looking for sell 0.46. 0.446 is 2.3 for short right now. 2.3 for short. Another short is 2.3 as well. Right, two positions, 2.3 and 2.3. I do want to set the take profit and stop loss first. Stop loss is 1.26, 1.26162. 162, which is 30 for that. Same right there. 162. And the first target I just want to aim for is this low right there. This low right there. 1.2586. 1.25856. Is it 856? Yep. The another positions that I aim for is right. I don't want to aim for this low. Just aim for this low enough. 2.4 is too low. Below this low right there. 1.25720. 720, right? Just want to aim for this low right there. So basically 2 of that is almost 2%, alright? This 2 point something percent. If the price move to this low, I'm going to break even right there. It's good to see just now the candle form, all the things aligned together. We're looking sharp right there. So 1 minute flip down as well. I do want to close 1%, half of the close half on this level 1.25858 right there. 1.25856. This one is my first position close, and the second position close is below this low right there, which is our this low right there, right? Right, let's see how this position work out or not, right? So let's see how this position work out. We do have an SMT in higher time frame as well. We have 2 positions taken right now. Let's see how this thing works. Close half on this level and the rest just let it be to that low right there. Alright. So my opening price is 37 and 33. 37 is 33 is right this level right there. Let's see how this candle form. Alright. What is great? I don't want to see this one. Can I just close for this? Oh my god. We got 2 TP right there. We just kind of like 2 positions, and then basically it's 1 position, but I divided by 2 on it. So basically it's just risking 1.2% for this trade. If going to be stop loss, it's going to be $60 for this stops run. Right, is it 30 and yeah, $60, which means that I'm down 1.2% if it is a stops. If this move down to this, I'm going to break even, and this one is TP1, and then the second one is just let it be. Let's see how this things move. good to see that drop, or 15 minutes is good as well. 15 minutes is close bearish for first candle, and I do take a shot because of that second candle, the first candle close bearish, and also the change in state of delivery in 1 minute. Looking short right there, and I have an SMT as well. Looking short for that. That's all about the reason that I've taken the trade. So yeah, let's see how this things play off. If it is a stops, then it is what it is, let it be. If it is a TP, then it is what it is, let it be as well. We're gonna control our emotion, manage our risk properly. That's all we need as a trader, right? We don't want to get too emotion when the price is not going to our way or some shit like that. We're going to know that it's about the possibility of the trading. We can't control outcome, but we can control our management risk properly. That's all we need. We can't control the outcome, but as a trader, what we can do is that we can control our trading frequency, control our risk on the table. Like if you're playing baccarat, it's just the same thing. If it's not just want to play like all the times, we're not going to all in, right? So we just want to cash, right? For example, today my card is much more greater than other people's. What I would do is that I would risk more, right? But I'm not gonna all in, right? That's the things that we're looking at in the trading market. That's what we want to do for that. I just want to reduce the things that I making mistake with. That's all I need, and I trying to do. That's the things that I'm trying to do, right? We do have a doji form. It is what it is. Let's see the next things happening. For candle, it is what it is. I can't control anything, but I can control my mind, control my mindset, control my psychology, these kind of things. If it is a loss, it is a loss. I mean, it doesn't mean anything when you're taking one loss, and it is a part of the game, We just want to wait for that, and yeah, that's all we need as a trader. $2.43 risk to reward for this trade. Let's see. And basically range to that basically is this level 1.35, and another one I just aim for low taken out, which is 2.43. So if I want to average the trade, right, so basically is, let's see, if I want to average the trade, basically is 2.43 and also 1.36, right? 1.36 plus 2.43 divided by 2. The average risk to reward is 1.8, which is 1.9% risk to reward average for true trade for this. It's good, it's a positive risk to reward. Let's see how these things move. I mean, which means that I risk 1.2% to aim for almost 2%. So basically my take profit is 40 and also 72. Wait for that stops to break even. Prepare for stops to break even for the low. But don't be happy first, is just still in the zone for bullish candle, for 1 hour candle still in the bullish candle. still in the bullish candle, right? Don't be happy first. One hour and 4 hours still in the bullish candle as well. Like, don't be happy first. I mean, still in the zone, just a monk mode right now. Just about life. Trading is just about life. We got sometimes we're going to go through some drawdown. Sometimes it's just happy ending, you know what I mean? Just about life, you know. And when you think about life, it's just, you know, up and downs all the times. We can't control anything. It's only that we can control is just right now, right? The times that we spend right now, that's the things that we can control. We can't control the outcome, basically. The outcome is just given by the persons that making hard on it and always fighting for the dream comes true, right? Yeah, the outcome will form when you give some effort on it and you study the market over time and you realize that basically all the things is about your effort, putting effort into the trading. When somebody else is playing outside and partying and outside, watching movie and doing other stuffs in outside, what you do is that you just want to focus on yourself and develop a skill that you can make a lot of money with. But right now you are not getting the money. It is what it is, and just a process you're going to face on it, you know what I mean? Face on the process. Don't give up, don't self-taught, don't say the bad things on yourself, right? So that is the things, that is the correct mindset for a trader. We can't do anything without planning or what, without managing a risk, right? So 1 hour still looking a bullish candle, but it is what it is. I don't mind it. Basically, I don't mind this candle form of bullish, but I do want to take this trade because of my confirmations, followed by my confirmations. All the things aligning together are looking sharp for this. But the outcome, is it going to be favorable for me? I don't know. But the only thing that I knew that is that when you're taking a trade, you manage the risk. That's all you need to know. The rest of the thing, just let the price prove to you, is it right or wrong. That's why the cut loss is mean for, you know, the cut loss is mean for you going to stop, you know what I mean? You're going to stop right there. You are wrong, you're going to stop right there. If you are right, the market will just give the reward to you. If you are wrong, what? You're going to stop out. That's all you need. That's all as a trader need. I mean, alright, the opening is not good for 30 minutes, I would say. 30-minute opening is not good, but still, we still have the possible for the candle. Let's see how this thing move. I mean, if the price do make this low, I will just have one. I will just risk free for all the trades, right? I just risk free for all the trades. But this opening seems like I don't like it, bro. This opening is no bottom, no top wick form. So a candle with no top wick is kind of like, it's not good to see that. No top wick is not good for that candle. But yeah, I just accept that. 1 hour candle, no top wick. I don't know how this file is going to go, but 1 hour candle no topic is kind of wow for it. Kind of wow for that, but yeah, I mean, just a part of the game, baby. No top wick, it just doesn't mean that you're wrong. Just let the market to prove to you you are wrong. That's all you need. That's why the stop loss have to be there. Because if you're wrong, you got some things right there. You know what I mean? Aim for this low taken out as well. I do want to see this one is a manipulation, right? I do want to see a manipulation form. If it does pump it up, I don't mind it. Form a wick first. Absolutely good to see the wick form first. At least 1 hour got a wick should be good. I don't mind to see the wick. See how EU react, right? Let's see how EU react. Is it a good option to trade EU? I don't know. Let's see. Alright, EU, we do have a break below the low as well. We have an SMT right there. We trace right now. This 1 hour should have a wick right now already. Have a small wick. Let's see how what is the next, right? What is the next? We do have a wick right now, and GU as well. It's just tapping to this level. We do have SMT as well just now. What is this basically? What is the box for? Or 5-minute order block. If 5-minute order block invert, they have a high possible to move down to this level. Alright, let's see. 5-minute is close bearish as well. Form a wick, basically have a wick right now. I don't know the next move, but I do manage the risk. But yeah, that's what it is. The price, if do make this low and break the low, I will just break even for the first trade, and the second trade is TP right there. I'll be back later, so I go to toilet first. Alright. So still have the possible to move down. As long as the price haven't hit my TP, it still have the possible to move up. I'll say that because I have been through too much for these things. I'll say I've been through too much on these things. A lot of uncertainty is going to be happen all the times. You can't do anything for that. Only the things that we can do is just manage the risk. The rest just let the market to move. We're just a human. Only things that we can do is that just control our mind, steady, and always be no disruption as well. Steady, and for sure you can make it one day. Just about the time, bro. I mean, 5 minute order block is how I'm close and still have the possible move up. I don't mind it. I just take the risk. 1 hour candle is flipping up right now. Let's see EU. Oh, right. EU still in zone. I mean, tap into this right there. Still good for this thing. It's looking sharp in EU as well. After forming an SMT right there as well. SMT is holding, making low, 15-minute close bearish, 1 hour week, 15-minute close bearish, invert that 1 minute, as well as it's good to looking short. This on block as well as being break as well. I mean, you still have the possible to move all the way back up. Just gotta be patient for this. Wait for invert should be good. 5-minute invert. 5-minute hot block invert. Close bit level should be good. Minute is close bearish as well, but I do want to see the drop be a good drop. I mean, drop below this whole block should be good. Right now it doesn't have any clues for this candle basically. I do want to see an obvious drop for that. As long as close below 5-minute on block should be good. Let's see how these things move. I mean, I can't do anything right now already. Just see how these things move only and manage the risk properly. That's all you need. Until 6, I will close the stream. Alright, I will close the stream at 6 or 5:30. Alright, let's see how this thing move. I mean, yeah, let's see how this thing move. Daily, I still want to see some rejection for that. To this level, obviously, it's a good thing to see that. But if it doesn't do that, I mean, it is what it is. the consolidation zone right now. Oh my freaking god. What the hell is that? This thing is don't even move, bro. Let's see once again. Let's see what this thing's. What the hell is this thing is doing, bro? Can we just opening the chart? For sure, bro. Opening a chart though. This is the position that I'm taking. Alright. Week form. One hour, half a week basically right now. We will have a week right now. It's an upwards week, I would say. Still have the possible flip down right there. I mean, yeah, can be there. I mean, it is what it is. Uh, 5 minutes haven't closed yet. 3 minutes close. Close like not good, I would say. I don't think this one is a good thing to see. This rejection is not a good thing. Oh my god. But yeah, still crossing the process. Let's see how these things move. I mean, that is what it is. The sprite is too fucking big, bro. This sprite is fucking big, bro. 10 pips. Sprite. My god. The hell is that? 10 pips. Sprite, bro. The hell? Break below should be good. Seems like it doesn't wanna break below the order block, 5-minute order block. Let's see what is the next thing. I follow plan this trade. It doesn't any problem for that basically. Part of the game. I follow my plan this trade. One hour haven't closed yet, 15 minutes close. 30 minutes haven't closed yet as well. Oh, 30 minutes haven't closed yet. 30 minutes haven't closed yet. The hell is that? break with this one. Oh, this one. Oh, I do like to see this one. Like, it's good to see this. Clean, right? It's more clean for this. Chart 5 minute, no problem for that. 5 minute is good if it close below, up close below should be good. Like up with a power of 3, up and then break below the on block, right? Like this on block right there. Do you have any like, you know what I mean? This all block right there. I mean, I don't like this, bro. Where's the horizontal? Yeah, this other block. Right, this other block right there. This freaking other block, right? This level right there. No bottom wick, good to see that. No bottom wick, good to see that. $50 pips stop. I mean, is it 50 pips stops? Nope. We got almost like no, bro. Stops. Take profit. What the hell? Just consolidate on it. This thing is, oh my freaking god. Come on, give a big move. Stop me out or do whatever you want, bro. Just let it run, bro. Give a shit, bro. This one got close. Five minute all block. I do want to see you close below. If not, it's not good. 30 minute, it's a bearish candle as well. It's a bearish candle as well, 30 minute. 1 hour still a bearish candle as well, but it's not good, this 1 hour bearish candle. How this 1 hour close, I do want to looking for a short, right? Because of this SMTN liquidity grab as well. So I'm looking short right there. Instead of looking buy, I'm looking short. I don't mind to take a loss. The hell, bro? The hell is this candle? See how this 30-minute close. Alright, close bullish for 30-minute. Holy shit though. 30-minute is close bullish. 50-minute as well. Form an order block for that. If it does move down, it's good. If it just too chance for this things move right now. I don't mind to take a loss right there, but it does have to move up just now, and then we do have an SMT. I follow the plan. That's all we need, bro. Liquidity grab as well, and we do have a change in state of delivery as well. Five-minute of block haven't break yet, but I do want a looking shot right there. I don't mind to take a loss right there as well. Do have a reverse right now. Oh my god. After taking the low right there, it do have a reverse right now. But I do have a stop loss. I don't care really. Just let it move basically. I don't give a shit. 5 minute, 15 minute, still, oh my god, 30 minutes is close bullish. This is like accidentally looking. This thing is closing bullish is not good when I see that. But yeah, it just formed right there. I can't do anything basically. Freaking god, what the hell? Yeah, it is what it is, man. So right now I can't do anything anymore, just let it run. It does have the high possibility to move the high right there. Just now I just take a trade because of SMT as well, and the break of structure right there as well, and also shift, market shift, SMT, all the things aligned together. I take a shot right there. So yeah, I don't think it's going to be TP anymore, just like a stops right there. Seems like it stops right there. Basically, I don't know what is going on for this. Just move out like. From a no bottom wick, no top wick is not good for that. I don't mind to take a loss right there. Alright, I'm gonna close the stream right now. It is what it is. This trade, is it stops? Is it TP? I will just post it in Instagram. Alright, that's all for the day. Peace out. I think it's a stop right there. It is what it is. Peace out.